What's the meaning of anyone? Anyone. 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 Anyone.
The word anyone is a pronoun that refers to any person or individual, regardless of gender or specific identity. It is used to indicate inclusivity, inviting all individuals to participate or be considered in a given situation or context. For instance, when an event says, anyone can attend, it means that all people are welcome to come regardless of background or identity. Similarly, if someone says, does anyone have a question, they are inviting all present individuals to contribute. Overall, anyone is a powerful tool for promoting equality and creating inclusive environments.